Welcome to SketchUp training on how to design a house in SketchUp. Portions of each screen capture have been edited in order to keep the time of each video to a reasonable length. Let's start out by selecting the rectangle tool from the toolbar or by hitting the R key on the keyboard and draw out a 40 by 40 foot square. Now let's get our offset tool, the F key on the keyboard, so we can make our outside walls. We'll use an offset of 13 inches as modern wall thicknesses are increasing to make the homes more energy efficient. Let's get our pencil tool, the L key, and divide the space into 4 equal parts. Find the center of the line made by the inside of the outside wall. A light blue dot will appear. Click and draw across to the center of the opposite line. Do this again on the walls perpendicular to the line you just drew. Let's give the interior wall some thickness. Grab the Move tool, the M key, and select a wall. You'll notice that it's moving the line around. Hit the Control key. You'll see a little plus symbol, and you see a copy of the line moving around. Using the inference, you can place the line 2 inches over in the red direction. Go ahead. Do the same thing again in the opposite direction. Now you have 3 lines. Erase the middle line with the eraser tool, the E key, and you have a 4-inch wall thickness. Let's install some doorways. Using the tape measure tool, the T key, lay out 2 doorways, 2 feet away from each wall. Place 2 more lines to complete the openings, making them 3 feet wide. Using the guidelines, draw out the openings. Take the eraser tool and erase the guidelines and the lines between the doors. Say we need to move a wall. Use our selection tool, the space key, draw a box around the wall to be moved like I am doing, or select the 2 lines individually. As you can see, it may be better to select the 2 lines as I am having to unselect what I don't want to move. Using your Move tool, move the wall to the desired direction and distance, here 2 feet. Whatever is attached to the lines will move, so you don't have to worry about redrawing the lines on the other walls. As you can see, I have finished drawing the first floor and am about to draw the stairs. Start by measuring the stair opening and dividing that by the number of stairs desired. I want 15 stairs, but the top stair is actually the top floor, so I divide the length by 14. Move the line by the calculated distance, here 1 foot. Then type X and the number of stairs you need, here 14, so it creates the steps without repetitively moving the line manually. We want to turn the floor plan into a component for later use. Triple-click the model to select everything. Right-click and select Make Component. Check Replace Selection with Component. Name the component First Floor. Click Create. Now we want to create a second floor by copying the first floor component. Move the copy up above the first floor as shown, and then right-click and Make Unique. Go into Component by double-clicking and remove all the walls. Here, we've filled the floor back in and are widening the garage area for the roof eaves. We want to bring up our Components window and snap it under the other Windows tools. We also want to change the Components window to show components in the model. Select First Floor Number 1, click Properties, and then change the name to Second Floor. From here, we want to open up the Layers window, which I already have on my screen. We create a first floor and second floor layer by clicking the plus symbol and naming the new layer. We need to put each component on its associated layer. Open the Entity Info window. You can find it under Window on the menu if you need to, and then select each component and change its layer under Entity Info. Then go into each component, select everything, and change it to its respective layer. If you hadn't noticed, I deleted the stairs on the second floor when I should have left them in place. To fix this, go into the first floor component, copy the stairs and a line from the outside wall to assist us in placing the stairs on the second floor. Then enter the second floor component, paste the stairs inside the floor, and using the reference line we copied, move the stairs into position. Now see, I have finished the layout for the second floor, and I am ready to progress to changing this from 2D into 3D, which will be shown in the next video.